The quokka, known as the world's happiest animal, exhibits a unique feature: its stunning smile. This endearing facial expression not only attracts tourists, but also mirrors the design of modern cameras, which often focus on user-friendly interfaces that capture joyful moments. Just like the quokka's grin elicits happiness, cameras are engineered for optimal photo-taking experiences with smile detection technology. Furthermore, the quokka's sociable nature enhances its social media presence, paralleling how cameras connect people through shared experiences. As such, the quokka reminds us of the bond between nature and technology, inspiring innovation through its delightful appearance.